Final Cut Pro can be a little overwhelming if you're not used to editing in a software like this one. So today we're going to show you how to do one of these slow zoom-ins like you're seeing now, and show you how to do a quick jump cut to level up your editing skills. Okay, so we've got our footage here, and the first thing we're going to do is create that slow zoom in. And don't worry, jump cut is actually easier, so stick around if you don't want to do this much work. So we have our video footage down here on the bottom, and then we have our transformation section open over here. This is just by clicking on this little film reel. So if you don't see this, check that. So we're going to start at the beginning of our clip, and we are going to choose the starting point for our zoom in. So let's say I want to zoom in. Let's say I want to start the zoom in right around here. So what I'm going to do is if I hover over the position section, you'll see this little add keyframe button. This is basically going to allow us to create a mini animation. So we're going to add a keyframe to the position and the scale, and these will all turn yellow. Then we can skip ahead in our video to the point where we want to end the zoom in on our face. So let's say right here, for example, and we can now change the scale. So we are going to zoom in, and I want to change the position here so that my eyes are in the center of the screen. And now, if we move back and forth, we can see it creates a subtle animation where we're zooming in here. Super easy. So now let's say that after we've zoomed in to this point, we want to zoom back out. So let's move a little bit further out on our footage, and now we can scale this back to 100, and we can reset our position. And now we have a nice keyframe animation where we're zooming in and we're zooming back out and going back to our regular video. Okay, let's say that we don't want that slow zoom in or zoom out. We want to create something that is a quick zoom in. That's called a jump cut, and this is also super easy to do. So let's say, again, this is where I want to start the zoom in. I'm going to do Control B, which will cut or slice this part of the video. You can also click on the B shortcut on your keyboard, which is B for blade. And then we're going to choose the point where we want to go back to normal, so I'm going to cut here. Now we have this little clip in between these two that we want to zoom in and out on. So for this one, we are just going to up the scale here. We can fix the position if we want to, but I am happy with this position, so we're going to leave it as is. And now we have a quick jump cut and a jump out. And there you go. Super easy, super quick. You can use jump cuts really easily just by changing that scale, or if you want that animation, by using the keyframe trick. Editing in Final Cut doesn't have to be overly complicated. Just start with small things like this, and it can really level up your videos. Let me know what else you would like to see, and check out the Creators Essentials playlist if you want to see more videos like this one. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon.